Hello, today we will guide you through how to reset FX Replay account. In this walkthrough, we'll be resetting your FX Replay account by removing an existing demo session. This is a simple process, and we'll take it slowly so it's easy to follow from start to finish. Begin by opening FX Replay and going to the Getting Started page. This is the main area where you can access different sections of the platform and begin managing your account activity. Once the page is loaded, give yourself a moment to make sure you're on the correct screen before moving on. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Testing. This section is where FX Replay stores practice activity and account testing data. If you're trying to reset your progress or clear out an old setup, this is the place you'll need to work from. After opening the testing area, click on Sessions. This will take you to the list of saved sessions associated with your testing environment. On this page, you should be able to see the available sessions that have been created previously. Take a quick look through the list so you can identify the one you want to remove. From there, click on the sample demo session. This opens the specific session you'll be deleting. Be sure you've selected the correct one before continuing, especially if you have more than one session in your account. Resetting in this case means removing that saved session, so it's worth double-checking before taking the next action. Once the sample demo session is open, click on Delete Session. This option is used to permanently remove the selected session from your account. If your goal is to start fresh, this is the key action in the process. A confirmation prompt should then appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm it to complete the reset. After that, the session will be removed and your account testing setup will be cleared of that demo session. As a final tip, if the page does not update right away after deletion, give it a moment or refresh the sessions page to confirm the session is gone. That can help you verify the reset was successful. And that's it. You've now completed the process to reset your FX Replay account by deleting the demo session.